Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Gudiyal and as my today's topic is multi-threading in Java. Multi-threading is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the uh, smallest unit of processing. Multiprocessing and multi-threading both are used to achieve multitasking. However, we use multithreading than multiprocessing because threads use a thread memory area. They don't allocate separate memory area or saves memory, and context switching between the thread takes less time the process. Java multithreading is mostly used game animation etc. Advantage of Java multithreading. First, it does not block the user because threads are independent and you can perform multiple operations at the same time. Second one, you can perform many operations together, so it saves time. Threads are independent, so it does not affect other threads if an exception occurs. Multitasking. Multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize the CPU. Multitasking can be uh, achieved in two ways. Uh, first way is first is process-based multitasking, multiprocessing, and third way is thread-based multitasking, multithreading. First, process-based multitasking, multiprocessing. Each process has an address, is a memory. In other words, process allocated a separate memory area. A process is a heavy. Um, Cost of communication between the process is high. Third one is switching from one process to another requires some time for saving and loading register memory, maps updating list etc. Second one, thread-based multitasking, multithreading. Threads share same address, uh, same address space. A thread is a lightweight. Third is a cost communication between the thread is a low. What is thread in Java? Thread a thread is a lightweight subprocess, the smallest unit of processing. It is a separate path of execution. Threads are independent if there occurs exception in one thread is it does not affect other threads. It uses a shared memory area. Uh, Context switching between the threads. There can be multiple processes inside the OS and one process can have multiple threads. Java threads class. Java provides thread class to achieve thread programming. Thread class provides constructors and method to create and perform operations on a thread. Thread class extend object class and implements runnable interface. Java thread methods uh, type first void start, void run, static void sleep, static thread, current thread, void join, int get priority, void set priority, string get name, void set name, long, gettle, boolean, is alive, static void, yield, void, suspend, void, resume, void, stop, void, destroy, boolean is daemon, void, set daemon, void, interpret, boolean is interpreted, static boolean interpreted, static int, active count, void, check access, static boolean hold lock, static void, dump stack, track elements, get stack trace, static int, uh, enumerated, thread state, get state, um, thread group, get thread group, string to string, void notify, and void notify all, void set contact class, class loader, get contact class, static thread, unthought exception handler, get default an exception, static void set default, perform task thread, and learn multi-threading. What will we learn? Multi-threading, lifecycle thread, two ways to create a thread, how to perform multiple tasks by multiple threads, thread scheduler, slipping a thread, can we start a thread, a twist, what happens if we call the run instead of start method, joining thread, naming, priority of a thread, daemon thread, shutdown hook, garbage collection, synchronization with the synchronization method, synchronize block, static synchronizations, deadlock, and inter-thread communication. Uh, do you know how to perform two tasks by two threads? How to perform multi-threading by animals, and what? First, thread class. Java provides thread class to achieve thread programming. Thread class provides constructor and method to create and perform operation on thread. Thread class extend object class implements runnable and interface. As there is context switching between the threads, there can be multiple process inside the OS and process multiple thread. And a thread is a lightweight subprocess, the smallest unit of processing. It is a separate path of execution. Threads are independent if there occurs exception in one thread does not affect other threads. It use shared threads share the same address space. Thread is a lightweight. Cost of communication between the thread are low. A process high weight, and cost communication between the process is high. Switching from one process to another requires some time for saving and loading register memory. Maps updating it easy. Each process has an address in memory. In other words, each process allocate a separate memory area. Okay friends, thank you.